Magluto tayo ng cheesy, creamy chicken fillet. 300 grams chicken fillet cut into strips, season natin ng salt and pepper. Sa isang pan, maglagay tayo ng 2 tablespoon butter. Pag tunaw na, lagay na natin yung chicken fillet. Tapos timplahan natin ng garlic powder at onion powder. Ilagay na natin yung 2 tablespoon mushroom in can, cheddar cheese grated, 1 pack na all-purpose cream, and season natin ng konting seasoning powder. And lastly, lalagyan natin ng 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, and then tapos na siya. Kainan na!